Hey, what's going on there, fence industry fans? I'm out here at Keystone Fence Supply, and we're going to take a few minutes to answer a question by visually showing you what can happen. So many people ask us when we go to shows or various things, or they call us and we tell them about our fencing, and we say, you can drive those posts in, you don't have to auger the holes. And they'll say, what? That's a plastic post. You can't drive that post in. Oh, absolutely you can. Now what we're going to do here in a few minutes, we're going to use this Keystone drop style driver, beam style driver some would refer to it as, and we're going to drive this 4x4 and this 5-inch. No problem whatsoever. Then we're going to step over here on a vibratory driver, Montana 1500 charge and everything on this mountain goat, and we're going to drive these posts in. Stay tuned, you'll like it. All right, we've got Leroy Zimmerman with Keystone Fence Supply using this drop style driver. And as you all know, a drop style driver, it takes just a little bit to get a post started. So what he's doing is he's getting it set into the ground just a little bit before he puts a real big hit on it. As you can tell, post is going in gradually. Moisture conditions here currently is it's pretty dry and all. So we'll kind of watch it here as it goes along. This is an 8-foot post, 5-inch diameter. Good to go. Good and solid. All right. Good job there, Leroy.
I'll do the 4x4 right away.
Yes, sir. Let's just move right over to the side there, and we'll tackle this 4x4. Moving it into position. Takes and sets the driver down. This particular driver that they've got doesn't have a hydraulic jack plate, I should say. As you'll see, it sets it down on it. Okay. Taking it on down. Now, if this was a standard wooden 4x4, you would see a lot of flex. You're still going to get that little bit of sliding action in the top because of the material. There we go. Looky there, boy, he's setting her on in now. Look at the rigidity on that. No wobble, no flex. Good to go. Here we're going to use a vibratory style driver by Montana, a 1500, which is the biggest of the best in all. We're going to drive a 4x4 and we're going to drive a 5-inch diameter round. Each one of these posts are 8 foot long, 96 inches. We're going to sink them in the ground right in the neighborhood of about 50 to 54 inches in all. All right, I'm going to get started up here. Now what I'm doing is I'm kind of setting this 4x4 to the side of the cup, which is a very common type thing for vibratory style drivers. Little disclaimer here. This is a round driving cap, and as you know, for all you professional installers, driving a square post, keeping it on line can be a little bit of a challenge. Where if you've got a drop style driver where you've got a square back or a different type of head, it's going to hold it in there. So please be gentle on me. Don't be looking for straightness, and as far as the actual orientation, give me a break. Now we're going to drive a round post, 5-inch diameter by 8 foot, again using the Montana 1500 here on the Mountain Goat. I'm just going to give it a few little light taps to get it started. All right, next question a lot of folks ask is, what's going to happen to the top of that post? That's a plastic post. Man, it's not going to take it to be able to be driven. Well, as you can see, it's nice and smooth right around the top of it. No checks, no pops out around the side. And with a vibratory driver, if you're very familiar, it kind of gets warm in the cup itself. Well, it's actually sealed it up and made it nice and smooth. If you want to take and accent it and make it a more gentler look, use a router with a half round or a quarter round and you can dress it up. She's tough, buddy. All right, hey, we're real as I'll say, and that is at times you may not be able to set this post at the full depth that you need. And people say, well, can you cut that? How do you cut it? What kind of special tools does it take? You can use a chainsaw, you can use a skill saw. But what I'm going to show you, we're going to take and trim just a little bit off the top of this post right here. Looky there, cuts just like wood.